Importance and characteristics of teaching profession. Characteristics of an effective teacher. Page 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Teaching is one of the noblest and oldest professions in the world. In India, teachers are respected as gurus who help shape the character, mind, and future of children. A good teacher not only gives knowledge but also helps students become good human beings. 1. Nation building. Teachers prepare the future citizens of the country. They help students become responsible, educated, and skilled individuals. Indian view. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, teachers are the backbone of the nation. To guiding young minds. Teachers guide students during their formative years. They help in shaping values like honesty, kindness, respect, and hard work. 3. Social reform and equality. Teachers help reduce inequality by educating children from all backgrounds, rich, poor, rural, or urban. Education brings social change. Example, a teacher in a village school helps girls continue their education and builds confidence. 4. Building lifelong learners. A good teacher helps students become independent learners who can think, question, and learn on their own. 5. Emotional and moral support. Many children see teachers as role models and come to them with personal problems. Teachers provide emotional care, especially for children from poor or broken families. 1. Service-oriented teaching is not just a job for money. It is a service to society and humanity. 2. Continuous learning. A teacher must always keep learning to become better. New methods, technologies, and ideas must be learned and applied. 3. Professional ethics. A teacher should be honest, fair, and respectful to all students. No discrimination based on caste, gender, or religion. 4. Responsibility and dedication. Teachers must be punctual, hardworking, and responsible. Their actions affect many young minds. 5. Creativity and adaptability. Each student is different. A teacher must be creative and adjust teaching methods to suit different learners. 1. Good communication skills. A good teacher explains clearly and uses simple language that students can understand. They encourage students to ask questions and speak freely. 2. Deep subject knowledge. The teacher must know the subject well. They should be able to answer questions and explain in different ways. Example, a science teacher explains photosynthesis using a chart, an activity, and a story. 3. Love for teaching and children. A good teacher is passionate about teaching. They show love, care, and patience towards all students. 4. Fair and equal treatment. An effective teacher treats all students equally. No favoritism based on marks, background, or behavior. 5. Good listener and motivator. A good teacher listens to students' doubts, ideas, and problems. They motivate students to do their best. Example, when a child fails in math, a good teacher encourages them to keep trying and gives extra support. 6. Classroom management skills. A teacher must be able to manage time, discipline, and activities in the classroom effectively. The classroom should be a place of respect, fun, and learning. 7. Adaptability and innovation. Every class is different. A good teacher changes their teaching style based on the needs of the students. Example, in a rural school without electricity, the teacher uses handmade charts and local materials instead of a projector. Teaching is not just a profession, it is a mission to shape young minds and build the future of the nation. In India, teachers hold a sacred position in society. An effective teacher must be knowledgeable, kind, fair, and inspiring. Such teachers not only teach well but touch hearts and create a lasting impact on students' lives.